Hi guys, welcome to Wine on TV. Indian edition over here, White Indian, because I'm going to present you an Indian wine over here. Right over here, from York Winery, as you've known from my older posts over here. York Winery, late harvest, Chenin Blanc over here, 100% Chenin Blanc from Nasik, India over here. Very interesting wine over here. As I can tell you, it's from an Indian wine over here, Chenin Blanc, but it's a very strange wine over here, a vintage 2010. Nicely works out with salads or exotic fruits over here. As you can see with the color of the wine over here, a straw yellow color over here. Very concentrated in exotic fruits and mango, pineapple, etc. So it's a wine that goes well with desserts over here. In the nose, as I said before, pineapple, exotic fruits, and mango. I can smell about that. In the mouth, you can have a very smooth flavor over here that reaches at the end of the mouth, that releases all these aromas over here, these exotic fruits aromas over here. It's a wine that goes good with cheeses, blue cheeses over here, because of this very smooth, sweet taste over here. And of course, you can go with salads, fruit salads, and exotic fruit salads, of course. That is very goes great with this over here. It's a very exotic wine over here. That is what you kind of find over here. So, York Winery, late harvest, Chenin Blanc, 2010, 100% Chenin Blanc over here. Tasted in France on Wine on TV. Thank you.